Hello viewers, I am Prasanna here from the Cusp people. I am welcoming you all for my channel today. This is a wonderful topic to discuss today. I am taking you through. So today I am planning to take you through the planetary alignments to become a successful, internationally recognized number one and very famous YouTuber. So who can become a YouTuber? This is going to be a discussion topic today. I would like to welcome Mr. Toshit, who is also a energetic, young and dynamic astrologer who is practicing
Okay.
his astrology and also doing his masters. So, Mr. Toshit, I welcome you to my channel today. So, I would like to ask you a few questions regarding
Okay.
who can become a famous YouTuber. Not only
Okay.
famous, he should be a recognized worldwide and number one YouTuber who can perform overall through his lifetime. So, as a passionate YouTuber who has got all the planetary alignments, so please explain us what are all the planetary conditions required to become a famous YouTuber. So, the time is yours. Please take us through.
Okay. Sir, YouTube as a career.
Yeah,
First,
YouTube as a
first,
career, right? Yes.
first of all, I would like to say just a career thing. Which planets are responsible? What kind of alignments? Which house? Which planet? Which lord are responsible for a career? Just a career. Okay. So when we talk about the career or when we look about the career, we talk about Lagnadipati, meaning the ascendant lord or the first lord,
You
the
mean to
first
say
lord of the Lagna.
ascendant? Okay, career means okay. To start with, you're talking about ascendant, right? Understood.
We call it as a Lagnadipati and ascendant lord in general.
And also in Western astrology, they call it as rising sign, right?
Yes. Exactly.
Okay, rising sign. Okay, okay, got it. Yeah,
And ascendant lord is similar, ascendant sign is similar. In India, we call it as a Lagnadipati.
Lagnadipati. Okay, got it. Vedic astrology. Yeah.
So, career. When we talk about the career, sir, we consider three aspects here. First is the Lagnadipati. First is Lagnadipati. Second is Shani, the Saturn. Is a karma karaka. Is a natural karma karaka who decides what kind of a karma you have to do in this life.
So
What
karma
kind of
means, just to make it clear here for all, karma means the duty, your
yes,
sole
exactly,
duty for this lifetime. That is
exactly.
decided by Saturn. Go ahead,
Saturn.
Toshit. Go ahead.
And the tenth lord,
Tenth Lord.
tenth lord, tenth lord, first lord, and Saturn. These are all they all signify the career. Their placement is going to decide what kind of career you are going to jump into.
Okay. Just a small heart
And
here,
secondly,
just to conclude.
okay,
Yeah. The famous YouTuber has to be seen in three options. I mean, the
yes,
one is the ascendant, or we call it as Lagna, the 10th house, and then another one is the Shani or the Saturn placement, who is the
yes,
duty performer. These are the
yes.
key indicators which ensures the person to become a YouTuber, right? So, okay, go ahead, Toshin, sorry.
And one more thing I would like to add, sir. I actually forgot that, and I would like to add that, sir.
Yeah,
In a Jaimini, we call it as a there is a Padati. In astrology, there are various Padati like a Krishnamurti Padati, Parashari Padati, or and Bhigunadi Padati, and in Jaimini Padati. In Jaimini Padati, we say Amatya Karaka, the planet which signifies your career. The planet with the second highest degree that is going to signify your career as per the Gemini. And the placement of the Amatya Karaka is going to decide what kind of a career you are going to jump into.
so Amatya Karaka in the Jaimini.
Yes,
So,
yes.
what does it exactly mean, Amatya? So that English audience can able to. It's a duty
So
or
Amatya
it's a.
Karaka,
Um,
okay, sure. Amatya Karaka, we say the planet which holds the second highest degree in your birth chart.
oh, okay. Second
At the
highest
time of
degree. Got it. Got it.
yes, exactly. At the time of your birth, the planet which is having the second highest degree, the first highest degree, the planet with the first highest degree is your Atma Karaka.
Soulmate.
Yes, which going to say what is the purpose of your soul, the Atma Karaka. The
Oh,
Amatya Karaka is going to say what kind of a karma. or what kind of a duty you are going to do in this present birth.
Okay.
That is the Amartya Karaka, or the planet with the second highest degree. Okay. So these are the factors which decides our career. Okay.
Okay.
And I would like to say, as a YouTuber or a career in a social media platform, Facebook, YouTube, to be famous in that, to be successful in that, we consider the placement of Lagna Lord, the first Lord, or the Ascendant Lord, or the Rising Sign Lord. The placement of the Lagna Lord in the third house or the fifth house, okay,
Yeah.
it gives that natural interest, like I want to do something in the YouTube, I have to do the stage performance, I have to show off in the camera.
Oh, okay.
These kinds of things are seen in the those placements, sir.
So you mean to say the fifth house?
Huh. Yes,
Hmm.
fifth
Right.
house and the third. Third house we say the house of networking,
Hmm.
the house of networking and the show off,
Oh, okay. Okay. Sure.
the house of speech, like how we are going to communicate, the house of communication and the house of the way you are going to express yourself, self-expression. The
So
house of a self-expression is third house.
so third house, it is mandatory for a YouTuber, right? Third house dominated chart, right? That's what you're
Exactly,
telling. And got it. Got it.
exactly.
So these
And
famous personalities of YouTubers will have their moon sign sitting in third house, right?
no, I would not say the moon sign sitting in the third house. I would just say the dignified third lord.
Dignified third lord. Okay, got it.
Dignified
Okay.
third lord signifies those kind of things. Like a dignified third lord, it is going to give you a bless you. Especially, I will say the bless you. It is going to bless you with excellent communication skills, sir.
Oh,
Excellent communication skill, and the social platform or the online platform are signified by the third house itself.
oh, super.
The online platform, like coming live in a live program, you are going to say
Live.
something.
Okay, okay.
So all kind of things, they are all signified by the third house.
Oh,
The way you communicate, the way you express yourself is a third house.
oh,
And fifth house, it is a natural creativity and the stage performance, all those kind of things is seen from the fifth house, sir.
okay. Sorry to, I
Like,
want to add here. The communication is also third house, right? So
yeah,
communication. Okay, got it.
exactly.
So fifth
The
house is
accent,
for acting. Okay.
the accent, like some native speak American accent. Like I'd
Okay.
like to say these kind of things, and the American accent or the England or a UK kind of accent or Indian accent or a Western accent
Okay. Okay.
or a Eastern accent. The accent, what we call it as the accent of a communication, it is seen through the third house.
Oh, okay.
That's a surprising thing, sir. That's a surprising thing.
Oh.
And
Mm-hmm.
the fifth house is a creativity, as you know.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth house is a natural karaka for creativity, stage performance, those artistry skills, acting skills, artistry skills, the way you dress up, the way you show off.
Okay.
That's a fifth house. That's a fifth house.
Hmm.
Third house and fifth house is mandatory. The dignified third house and dignified fifth house is mandatory. And now the main thing is how public is going to support you.
Okay. So apart
To
from third house and fifth house, though he has got a
yeah,
talent to demonstrate, but tenth
yes.
house plays a major role because public, right, and the career.
No,
So
no, no, no. Sir. Tenth house, it usually gives a fame, a recognition. Like
name,
there are
fame, yeah,
successful YouTuber.
name, fame,
Achievement,
achievements.
growth, and progress is seen through the tenth house, sir.
Okay.
What we call it as the comments, public opinion, views, comments, likes, dislikes, all those seen, all those things are seen from the seventh house.
Seventh. Okay. Opposite
Yes.
person.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Public
What is
network.
the
Yeah.
prachara? Have you heard about the word prachara?
Prachara. Yeah. Publicizing or make it in a huge
Publicity.
mass media sort of.
Reaching through the masses.
Okay.
There is a seventh house, sir. The dignified seventh house. It also play a vital role. The connection of third lord with fifth house or the seventh house and the tenth house.
Oh, there should be a cross connection between third, fifth,
Yes.
and seventh. So that's the major play around here. Yeah.
As well as tenth lord too. Why tenth lord? Tenth lord, it gives a achievement, a success, a growth, and earning through that.
Okay.
A successful earning through that. Successful career through that.
Oh.
Okay?
Yep.
And along with that, a major conjunction, a major creativity conjunction. We call it as a skill yoga. Even you know about that, sir.
Come again, sorry.
A major conjunction. It's one of the very important conjunction as per the Parashara Jyotish.
Mercury and Venus.
Exactly,
Mercury and
exactly, sir.
Venus should
Exactly.
sit in a single house, either in fifth, will become a universal, charming
So that,
personality where he can deliver any roles in the film
exactly.
industry.
It's a fantastic thing.
Yeah, in the film industry. Got it. So,
It's
so
a very fantastic
Mercury and
thing.
Venus plays a major criteria to shine and boom the career.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Mercury, Venus, their placement is going to say how skilled you are.
Oh,
Let's say, just I would like to say the example, sir. Just let's say if
please
they
go
place
ahead.
in
Please
the
go
third
ahead.
house,
Please go ahead.
if they place it in the third house,
Ah.
and these folks are very, very creative, very romantic. They express themselves very creatively.
Oh, which house?
Right, you know,
Which
in the
house?
third house, sir. Like
Third house.
example,
Okay,
like
communication. Okay, got it.
like when they communicate very creatively. Hi, Prasanna. How are you, man? I'm gonna talk with you. Like it's a creativity, sir.
Got it. So
That's
not a
a
usual,
creativity kind.
not a usual one. They put creativity in all sort of communications. So got it.
Yeah, exactly. Mercury and Venus, it plays a very important role when it comes to the artistic skills. Artistic skills like people like some people, some YouTubers, they do a drama, and they just upload it in the YouTube and they become famous. They become the viral. They become viral. Why they become viral? Due to this alignment, sir, as per Parashara Jyotish, Venus and Mercury
As per
conjunction.
Parashara, Mercury Venus is mandatory to shine in the media or stage
Yes,
performance or any sort of
it's
roles, movies, ads.
a
So
natural thing.
come again.
That a conjunction, it's a natural blessing. Irrespective of house placement, it is going to bless you with a Kala yoga, a skillful yoga.
Skillful yoga. Got it. Mhm.
And and on top of that, I would like to say one more thing. As far as the public support is concerned, like how publics are going to see how much views are you are going to earn, how much subscribers you are going to earn. That is seen from the placement of the seventh lord. A
Okay.
dignified seventh lord promises. A dignified seventh lord is going to promise a very good subscribers, a very crowd, like millions of subscribers, lakhs of subscribers, crores of subscribers. That's a dignified seventh lord, sir. The placement of seventh lord in the Kendra and the Trikona is going to give the promise.
Kendra means 14710. Trikona
Yes,
means 159. These are the placements where
exactly.
the location of these planets plays a major role. That's what astrologers say.
Especially the seventh lord, sir.
Seventh law. Yeah.
Seventh lord, and sudden fame, immediate fame, eighth house.
Okay. So eighth
Eighth house.
house provides
Yes,
immediate and attention-seeking sort of viral, becoming a viral. So all that
yes,
because of the eighth house.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly. That's one more thing. And major thing I would like to say, 10th house play very, very important role to a successful YouTube journey. Just I would like to give you an example, sir. Third lord, placement of third lord and fifth lord in the 10th house, or the conjunction of third lord and fifth lord in the 10th house,
Oh,
or 10th lord himself is sitting in the third house and fifth house. He's going to give you the fame through those areas of life.
so all this probability, third lord, fifth
Yes,
and tenth, or fifth, tenth lord, fifth and third
yeah,
house. So all sort of combinations. So got it.
yeah. And third lord aspecting the seventh lord conjuncting the third lord conjuncting fifth lord, 3, 5, 7, 10. It plays a very important role for a successful YouTube as a career. And if
Oh,
11th Lord, yeah, and if 11th Lord joins that or conjuncts that or aspecting that, it is going to bless you with immense wealth, immense gains, abundant gains.
okay,
Okay, so these are all the things, sir. As
great,
a successful YouTuber, as a journey.
great. So
First thing is your Lord. First thing is your Lagna Lord or a rising sign Lord. And second thing is going to be a third Lord.
okay,
Third thing is the fifth Lord, the placement of fifth Lord. Fourth thing is a seventh lord for the publicity. Fifth thing is a tenth lord. And the least thing, or the last thing is a Mercury Venus conjunction. It is a very excellent thing in a chart.
Oh, okay, correct. Yeah, got it.
Even though even though these lords are not dignified, third lord is not dignified, fifth lord is not dignified. But if the person is having a Mercury Venus conjunction, it is going to pull the person towards
Whatever you do.
acting drama into the journey. A Mercury Venus conjunction. It's a blessing, sir. Kalanidhi Yoga.
So
Kala
anyway,
Yoga.
all superstars will have this yoga.
Yes, sir. Usually serial actors. I have seen this thing.
Okay,
Serial actors,
that's
artists.
great.
Okay.
Nice talking to you. Anything else on this topic, Toshit, which I left out?
I guess nothing, sir.
That's it.
We have
So
concluded so many things.
thank you so much. So for
Welcome.
coming to for the discussion, especially on this topic. So I would like to
Okay.
thank you for your time. So
Thank
viewers, thanks for joining us for this small session. Especially who can become a YouTuber? What are all the planetary alignments required? So we have already gave you the insight. So if you don't understand, please watch again 2 times or 3 times, though I'll present a sample chart for you to understand and analyze. But please subscribe to do more of such videos going forward. Thank you so much. Good luck. Dhanyavad. Namaste from
you.
India.